Good morning folks, 21st Century Caveman here. Hope everybody's well, hope everybody's happy. So another day at the ranch and I'm going to continue plasterboarding these old Artex ceilings. Now I'm on my own today, so I'm just going to sort of, make up a prop to help me. Now I do have some extending poles here, look, okay, which are okay, but they're not the most stable of things. Now I did make a prop the other day which basically comprises of, it's a nice sturdy one actually, a couple of long lengths of timber screwed together, okay, and also I just broke off a piece of old shelf, knocked back the tacks in that, and that made a very, very good prop indeed, just for supporting the plasterboard. Excuse me. But anyway, Jared was with me on that day, helping me, but I'm on my own again today, so I'm actually going to just sort of knock up another one really, just to make life a lot easier. So anyway, I just thought this is really basic stuff, okay, but it's something which just might be worth sharing with you really. I'll reset the camera and I'll get back to you. Now this doesn't need to be perfect, the measurements don't need to be absolutely bang on and all the rest of it. All I'm going to do, I'm just going to judge by eye where the middle is. So I'm going to drill a couple of holes and then just screw this bit on. Okay, so I've just got some 75mm drywall screws. I'm going to use those. Okay, that should do the trick. Now we're actually going to screw a base onto this, but do you know what? I think I'm just going to leave it like that. There's no point in doing any extra work than I need to, so I'm just going to support it in that workbench there and give it a whirl as it is. But not to say who dares wins. This is actually going to work alright. Just crank this up. Okay. Now I'm going to use this longer one. Push it against the ceiling. See if this plan will come together beautifully, like I hope it will. I want this to fall down. Trouble is I've got to be very careful with that one. Okay. Crank that up. Now I want to keep this square so I don't rub the way up. Okay, getting that. be stuck in that corner a bit. Go on, you bugger. So, it's certainly up against the ceiling this side. It just needs a bit of a push over there. Now, at the moment, I'm balancing this on my head. That's better. Starting to hurt a bit of that. Okay, so, looks as if it's up.